All right, so we are going to go ahead and get started on page 498 in your workbook. So go ahead and grab that. Pause this video if you need to while you get your notebook. All right, for this page, we are going to be helping this friend named Lewis. Pardon the dog in the background, it must be Amazon. All right, so we're still working on our essential question. How can you convert from one metric unit of capacity or mass to another? All right, in the example they've given us here, it says Lewis needs 8 liters of apple juice. He has 5,000 milliliters of apple juice. Does Lewis have enough apple juice? So we need to make sense of this. We need to know, how much does Lewis have? He has 5,000 milliliters. How much does he need? He needs 8 liters. Needs 8 liters. Excuse me, I lost my train of thought for a moment. He needs 8 liters. All right, and what do we need to do? We need to decide whether or not he has enough. All right, looking over here, we have an equivalent measures table. All right, we notice that there's a relationship between liters and milliliters, grams and milligrams, and kilograms and grams. All right, so let's look down at step 1. Find how many milliliters of apple juice Lewis needs. All right, we know 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. We know that from the anchor chart we copied. Here is mine. You may have been able to print yours, but there's an anchor chart tool provided for you. So that's how we got this information. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. We can convert by putting in the 8 liters we know Lewis needs and multiply it by how many milliliters that would be. So 1,000 milliliters, that equals 8,000 milliliters. All right, so Lewis needs 8,000 milliliters of juice. He has 5,000 milliliters of juice. So let's compare in step 2. Compare to find out if Lewis has enough apple juice. Well, he needs 8,000 milliliters of juice, and he has 5,000 milliliters of juice. So this is more. Lewis does not have enough apple juice. How much more does he need? We can do that math by doing 8,000 of what he needs minus the 5,000 that he has, and this will tell us the remaining amount he will need to get. Lewis needs 3,000 milliliters more of apple juice. All right, convince me. Be precise. Why did you need to convert liters to milliliters? Well, the information was given in liters and the question asked for milliliters. So it's necessary for us to convert liters to milliliters. I'm going to write that down so at the end of this you can pause and make the notes that you need to. All right, the information was given in liters and the question asked for milliliters. So we had to convert from liters to milliliters. And there you go. Feel free to pause it at the end to collect the notes that you need.